Zumazet Biker here with just a short video for a modification I've made for the GoPro remote, because the straps on them I found isn't long enough to go round your wrist on a jacket if you've got your heavy winter jackets on, and it's too long to go around the handlebars. So what I've done is I've mounted the remote onto the back of an old Ultimate Addons camera case, which I no longer needed because I've no longer got the phone. So with a bit of effort, because it shows you how strong the cases are, I've managed to cut the back off on the fixing plate. I've got the Ultimate Addons fixing plate on the handlebar where I used to have my phone case, which is now up there. Bracket there, look, on my bike. So it's just a simple case of clipping that on like you would putting your phone on, and it's now on there ready to use. And when you're finished with it, a simple case of pushing the buttons and it's off. I think this is a good, nice little adaptation for anybody else who's looking at a way of possibly getting the remote fixed to their bike. Anybody who's got them and using them, that's my solution.